welcome to the EngView booth, Drupa 2024. We're so excited to be here. We've got this really cool structure behind us. Max, tell us some of the inspiration that went into this.
Well, first of all, designing something is not so much about inspiration at the beginning, but it's actually about parameters. So the general idea is, you just got that inspiration and you go. No, what you usually do is you start with the parameters. How big is the booth? How much space do you need? How many monitors need to go? There are all of these things, and then once you got that in place, then you start thinking about, how can I make it look cool? And in this case, it was actually quite simple, because once the parameters were set, it's literally this gesture. And there you are. All of a sudden, you got a wonderful roof over it. You got the structure coming up. You got space for the monitors, and then you work it through. And this is the tedious part, but that's also the important part, because at the end of the day, design is in the details.
Yeah, I love it. There's very good function. In this, we've got excellent places, workstations where we can show off the software, that kind of stuff. And it's my understanding that this is kind of a sustainable type of item too.
It absolutely is. We did not use any screws or glue, so that means that anything we did later on can be recycled, can be completely recycled. Well, to be fair, the monitors are mounted with screws. It would be stupid not to do that. But besides that, everything will be fully recyclable at the end, and that is something that we at Nordwerk believe is not optional, it's a mandatory thing.
Excellent. Valentin?
I would like to thank you, Max, for all the work you did, for the passion you
My
invested here.
My absolute pleasure.
Yeah,
my absolute
it was
pleasure.
so nice to work together with you these days.
Oh,
and
I was actually absolutely amazed by how well your software worked. Whenever I sent plans over to you, I was always worrying, do I have to pre-nest it, do I have to prepare something? But you guys understood it from the get-go. That was absolutely fabulous, and it's not self-understood, actually. I have to admit, It's actually one of the very few times in my life I can actually give data to the client without finishing the data, and they still understand what to do with it. That was fabulous.
We're a good fit, I think. And the result is obvious. We have these wings of EngView here.
Absolutely.
It's fabulous. Thank you so much, Max.
My absolute pleasure. My absolute pleasure.
Well, excellent. This is Drupa 2024. We're at the EngView booth, Hall 7A. Come by and see us. We'll tag Max in this. He does some amazing designs and would love to do some designs for you. So drop by and check us out. Thank you. First day at Drupa. We're rocking along here. We've got this cool booth design, and I'm with our marketing manager, Lena, who has been putting tons of time and energy. I mean, when did all this start, and where'd you get the inspiration?
Okay, so it started a long time ago, because it was 8 years since last Drupa. So we've been working along, preparing for the last Drupa, and now for this one, the one that didn't happen. So this is a knowledge tree. We want to show that we are building knowledge, we are growing, we have 25 years of experience in the packaging industry, and we are learning still, and we are building a lot of new technology into our software, and we try to be on the cutting edge of technology.
Yeah, and you've been around for a while with the company, and a lot of people, I mean, we got over 20 plus years, some of the people that are here. Tell me about some of the cool new things that we're showing.
Okay, it's the last version, 2024. We're demonstrating this year at Drupa. The cool stuff is one of the new features, augmented reality. We implemented this to help designers get approval more easily from their customers. Customers can go into the store and with their mobile device place the 3D mock-up of the packaging into the real display that it will be placed on, or in the real store experience. They can feel that.
Yep, no, so that's awesome. We also expanded our libraries. There's a lot of other cool stuff. So come on by and see us. It's amazing. Thank you so much for all the work you put into this.
We are at booth C12 in Hall 7A at Drupa. It's the first day, so 10 more days of this. Welcome.
Groundhog Day, day one. All right, welcome to Drupa. I'm with Matt Mateus. He's responsible for our Latin American market, and I'd love it if you could introduce us in a couple of languages.
Oh, okay. Well, first of all, we are very excited to receive a lot of powerful companies we have in Latin America. They are on the way to arrive at the show. We have some meetings to do and to present our ideas here. Everyone who I'm talking to about the new version of the software we have, they are very excited to know what we can offer to them. And now, if you don't mind, I will invite my fellows from Brazil in Portuguese.
I would love it, because I've only got English.
Ok. Muito bem, nós estamos aqui na Drupa. Eu espero recebê-los aqui no nosso espaço para que vocês possam entender como as nossas soluções podem tirar as suas ideias do papel e transformá-las em realidade. Então, se tiverem um tempinho, por favor, sintam-se à vontade para nos visitar, tomar um café e bater um papo. That's it.
Excellent. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We look forward to seeing you guys here. Day one Drupa. I'm with Christian, who's responsible for the German market in our German office. Could you do a quick intro for our German customers?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Chris. Herzlich willkommen auf der Drupa. Herzlich willkommen an unserem Stand. Hier in der Halle 7a am Stand C12. Kommen Sie her. Wir haben die neueste Version des EngView Package Display Designers hier. Unter diesem Baum kann ich Ihnen das alles zeigen. Also,
Excellent. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
We look forward to seeing you here.